Alright guys, doing a review on these CLIF bars. These are Builder Protein, 20 grams of protein. These are on sale, okay? Check these out. So I always get people asking me for snack options. There you go. So if you look at it, they use soy protein isolate, and it may contain certain things like tree nuts, sesame, so you do want to be careful. There's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. It does have quite a bit of sugar. Check that out, 22 grams. But let's do a quick taste test and see what it tastes like. Sometimes protein bars don't taste the greatest, so this flavor here is vanilla almond. Let's try this out. Okay, so that's what they look like. Check that out. You know, I was hoping it was going to look like the regular CLIF bars. The regular CLIF bars taste like a cookie, a really thick cookie, but this is more like a real protein bar. Okay, so it's soft, chewy, and then it's very sweet. Yeah. It does have vitamins in there, so you do taste the almost like the vitamin-y taste to it. Yeah, so not bad if you need a protein bar or something quick, but I would probably choose the regular CLIF bars. They taste a little bit better. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.